The final substep involved in step 3 is to narrow the initial list of potentially relevant disciplines to those that are most relevant to the problem. The most relevant disciplines are those that are most directly connected to the problem, those that have produced the most important research on it, and those that have advanced the most compelling theories to explain it. Experienced interdisciplinarians might narrow their list to 3 or 4 disciplines. Undergraduate students in the Integrative Studies program focus on 2 disciplines. To help us narrow our initial list, we should ask ourselves 3 questions about each discipline that we've identified. We should also refer to the map we created in substep 2. The first question is, does the discipline have a well-defined perspective on the problem? Explain how each discipline illuminates the whole problem or some aspect of it. The textbook recommends rephrasing each perspective in the form of an overarching question about the problem. It also provides several examples of how to do this toward the end of the chapter. The second question is, has the discipline produced a significant body of research on the problem? This information, which includes insights and supporting evidence, can usually be found in peer-reviewed journals and academic publications. You might also consider asking disciplinary experts for their opinion about the significance of a body of research. As you search, look for publications that have been cited hundreds or even thousands of times, as well as those that have been published within the last few years. Older publications can provide history, context, but newer publications are going to frame the problem in the most up-to-date way. The third question to ask ourselves is, has the discipline generated theories to explain the problem? We are looking for at least one theory. Multiple theories would be better. Look for theories that attempt to explain the antecedents or causes of the problem, as well as the consequences or outcomes of the problem. Also, if possible, look for theories that conflict with other theories in the same discipline or with the theories proposed by other disciplines. Once we have identified the most relevant disciplines, we can confirm their relevance and significance in subsequent steps of the IRP. For example, in step 4, we may find that the research put forth by one discipline is not as relevant as we initially thought. Or we may discover a connection to a discipline we hadn't yet considered. If so, we would return to step 3 and reassess the decisions we made before repeating step 4, which we will cover in detail next week.